Counting for a project can be painful and tedious at best. This is the perfect task for your software to do the work for you. Today, in AutoCAD, we leverage geometry search to count for you. With Count, you can tell AutoCAD the geometry that you want to count, or the blocks that you want to count. AutoCAD will highlight all the objects being counted and even call out potential miscounts. For example, an exploded block, or if two blocks are on top of each other. You can also tell AutoCAD to only count by layer, scale, or mirror state. The best part is that Count easily updates as you make changes to the drawing. AutoCAD makes it easy to count the right objects and to synthesize the information in a table for tasks, like ordering parts or giving estimates. This table will update as you make changes to the drawing. With this automation, we aim to eliminate repetitive error-prone tasks and enable our customers to achieve more.